Good morning. Today we will start with Unit 3, Chapter 3, Pollution due to Combustion. As we mentioned in the previous lesson, combustion reactions are very important nowadays. However, these reactions are a major source of air pollution. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to indicate the composition of the air, identify the main sources of air pollutants, explain the causes and effects of acid rain and global warming, determine the effects of the pollutants on the health, list means of reducing air pollution, and finally identify precaution measures while handling combustible materials. Air is a mixture of gases composed mainly of two gases, nitrogen with a percentage of 78% and oxygen 20.9%. It is also made up of carbon dioxide, a gas called argon, and other gases that include helium, neon, and krypton. The air is humid or wet due to the presence of water vapor. In addition, air contains air pollutant gases. The percentage of these pollutants varies from one region to another. Several main air pollutants are due to combustion reactions. Pollutant gases include sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and oxides of nitrogen. These air pollutants are produced by combustion of fossil fuels in industry and energy supply plants, agricultural practices, and the stoves installed for domestic heating in houses. Burning garbage is a main source of air pollution, in addition to combustion of fuels used by vehicles, airplanes, and trains. One of the major effects of air pollution is the formation of acid rain. Acid rain is mainly due to air pollutants such as sulfur oxides and nitrogen oxides. These gases are released to the atmosphere due to combustion reactions. Then they are carried by wind to react with water vapor found in the atmosphere. As a result, acids such as sulfuric acid and nitric acid are produced. These acids fall to the earth with rainwater as acid rain. Acid rain has many harmful effects on plants and animals. It pollutes water and harms aquatic life. Acid rain has destructive effects on the soil, therefore destroying agriculture. It leads to skin diseases and damages buildings. Normally, sun's radiation travels towards the earth. Some of this energy is absorbed by the earth and the rest is reflected. The earth also emits heat back to the atmosphere. However, due to an increase in air pollutants, especially carbon dioxide, these gases, which are called greenhouse gases, trap this energy. Greenhouse gases also absorb heat energy produced by the earth, thus keeping the planet warmer. This phenomenon is called greenhouse effect, which leads to global warming, thus changing the Earth's climate. Air pollution can highly affect the human health as well. An increase in the level of air pollutants can lead to respiratory diseases, as well as strokes and heart diseases. One of the major air pollutants that can affect the human health is carbon monoxide. It can prevent the transport of oxygen by the red blood cells, leading to suffocation. Carbon monoxide is highly dangerous because it's tasteless, odorless, and invisible. Air pollution can be reduced by using alternative energy sources such as solar energy. It is highly recommended to use low sulfur content fuel, which decreases the formation of acid rain, as well as using public transportation to decrease the use of a fuel. Trees play a major role in cleaning the atmospheric air by absorbing CO2, so reforestation is highly recommended. Using filters in smokestacks is essential in reducing air pollution. Butane gas has no smell naturally. However, upon manufacturing, a smell is added so people can detect a gas leak. In case you detect any gas leakage, you should immediately seek help. The leak must be stopped, then the area should be ventilated properly. Make sure you do not turn off or on the electrical switches. In presence of a combustible material, fire can start near fire sources. In this case, Flames should be turned off and the fire must be extinguished. Combustible materials could be a source of permanent danger. Precaution measures should be respected upon storing, transporting, or using them. Please study the notes very well, then open your books to page 136 and solve the following exercises. Take care everybody and stay safe.